Welcome back to Lap Inside, your go-to spot for laptop upgrades. I've got a game-changing tip for you today. Let's jump in. Hey Tech Squad, today we're upgrading the RAM on a LENOVO LOQ 15IAX9. I'll walk you through every step, from unscrewing the panel to installing your new RAM sticks. Buckle up, because we're diving right in. That's a wrap, Tech fam. Big thanks for watching till the end. If this upgrade helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more laptop life hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I love to help you geek out. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.